अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आप देख रहे हैं के न्यूज HD। मैं हूं हारिस अली शाह गिलानी। खबर शामिल करते हैं कनाडा से MLA रचना सिंह का मुसलमानों को रमजान المبارक के मौका पर पैगाम। आए देखते हैं सैयद वजाहत अली शाह की इस रिपोर्ट में।
Tonight marks the beginning of Ramadan, and Muslims around the world will mark this time with reflection, prayer, and fasting. I know that this year's Ramadan will not be the same as we stay at home to stop the spread of COVID-19. I would like to thank the Muslim community for their commitments to generosity, acts of charity, and compassion made during Ramadan, which remind us all of the ways we can lift each other up during these challenging times. Also, thank you to BC Muslims for the sacrifices they are making by celebrating at home. I wish you a month of peace and spiritual renewal. Ramadan Mubarak.